Hello guys, welcome to Test Keys by Johnson Calvin. I'm here today to show you how to move your files from your phone to your memory card. From your phone to your SD card, it has been difficult for some people to move their file when their phone is already occupied with too many things like files and other things. So today, if your phone doesn't have an easy shortcut for you to swapping, diverting all the files that will be coming into your phone to your SD card, never you bother, because my phone is one of them. Unlike, for example, let me take you direct to the settings and show you things. Now here we are on the settings. You can see I'm going straight to the storage where I'm supposed to see uh, the divert, where I'm supposed to see how to divert the the SD card, the memory, the phone memory. How I'm going to divert it. I'm supposed to see somewhere to divert. Use SD card for other incoming files, or the files that will be coming into the phone, or use SD card as the portable storage. No, I didn't see anything like that. This is the memory for my device storage, and this is the portable storage, which is the SD card. So for me to use this portable SD card, there is no means because I didn't see any settings like that here, but it is in other phone. So what I'm talking about is, at times you might not see how to divert your phone storage to your SD card. If you can't divert it, all you have to do is move the file when the phone is occupied, so you can have some space on your phone. Meanwhile, you can still take in more file. So for that, I'm going to show you how to move the file using your Android phone, because it's at times difficult for some people to do it. So here we are. First of all, you click on phone. When you click on phone, you click on Android. You go search for any data. Alright. Image cache file. I guess these are just catch files. Sorry. Sorry. I'm gonna find something to move. Alright. Okay, let me go direct to recent. Alright, fine and good. We're here on recent. Now in this recent, we are going to see some pictures, apps. Alright, we'll have some Facebook apps. 1, 2. Alright, let me just take this to. Now you can see move below, you can see copy. If you copy and paste, you lost the file, because the original one still remains here, which will be occupying too more space. So you can share, but if you share it, you might share through email, or Facebook or any other thing. You can see share, delete, move, or more. So you can see more, add favorite, details, location, rename. So what I'm doing is I want to move. I'm moving it to SD card. You click on SD card, and I want to move this to Android data. Where am I dropping this right away? I want to drop this on pictures, no, my pictures. I'll create a picture. Oh my god. Alright, I'll create a picture folder saying my picture, my pictures, my pictures, my pictures. Alright, so that's it. You create my pictures, and you can see my pictures, you click on it and you paste it there. Good. So that's it. You can see it right there, just two. So it's as easy as that. In case of you want to copy your files, no, it's not good to copy your files to memory card except you wanted to remove it. But if you don't have any means of changing your preferred location storage, please, this is the best way. Just move the file, the way I showed you on the screen. If you copy it, you are occupying too much space. Changing your preferred location storage is not in every phone. Most especially on phones like iTels, and most of the advanced phone now, um, doesn't come with it, because of too many apps and too many works on it. So please, it's easier to move the file. Just move the file instead of copying it. Then you create more space. Now let's see the amount of space here. My space has increased here, and here also is decreasing, is going down here, and here is giving me more space, 1.28 here, 717. Okay, so you see, that's just it. Please, I really appreciate for watching this video. You're welcome. I'll really be grateful as I always get your hit on my subscribe button and the notification button. Please make comments and like this video, and also please tell me the kind of videos you like me to create for you, and I will always do that. I still remain Johnson Kevin, and I'm grateful. Please make sure you hit the notification button, and also never forget to subscribe. From Test Keys, thank you.